Huayang Industry, global AGM separated whole industry chain producer. Huayang AGM whole industry chain originated from Xinjiang province. Quartz sent from Hami. Feldspar powder and magnesium oxide come from Japan. Calcite comes from Baiyingongla, Mongolia Autonomous Prefecture. Soda ash comes from Gomad, Qinghai. Borax is imported from the United States. The raw material of a glass block are added to the raw material being according to formula. The material is discharged into the mixer according to the design quantity, actually plus or minus 0.5 kg. Raise the material to a real material being FQN. After melting and welding at a high temperature of 1500 degrees, the glass block is formed. Glass block, micro glass fiber. Huayang glass block is melted in 1000 degree clean, drawn by 0.4 diameter nickel cadmium sheet, and blown into glass fiber by high temperature at a high pressure. Huayang partition production base is located in Liaocheng City, Shandong Province. The production line has three-dimensional layout design, which is divided into 5 floors, 2 underground floors, and 3 above-ground floors. The height difference between the highest and the lowest is 15 meters. Make full use of space and the height difference to reduce the use of bumps. When the cross-bonding weight of raw materials according to the process formula and put the raw materials into the disperser. The circulating white water is transported to the white water. High-level tank for use in pumping and slurry dilution. The pumping system is controlled by a microcomputer, with precise water addition and accurate pumping time, and the 2-stage pumping is adapted. Open the one-click aeration pumping, and then discharge the pumping to the slurry pool. The thick slurry is pumped to the stable slurry tank, and then transported to the dredge machine to dredge the glass fiber again. The thick slurry after deflacker is diluted with white water for the first time. The slurry is sent to the heavy slagging machine for slagging. And the good slurry after slagging goes into the mixing tank. Add white water to the mixing tank for secondary dilution. The slurry diluted in the mixing box enters the foaming section for dehydration and foaming. The molding machine is welded with stainless steel as a whole, adapts a small angle 8 degree inclined mesh, and is installed with high precision. The thickness tolerance can be controlled within the range of ±3%. The wet partition is further dehydrated by passing through a vacuum box, and the moisture content of the wet partition is 62 to 65%. The wet partitions enter the oven, which uses 3 stages of hot air for drying. Each section has a burner and adapts an automatic temperature control system. The drying temperature control range is ±5 degrees. The winding process is equipped with online thickness gauge to monitor the thickness of products on the production line, and alarm when the thickness exceeds the standard. Online slitting avoids damage to the product caused by secondary. Slitting air reduces the time the product exposed to the air. The roll changing is automated, and add phase range not error is less than 2 mm. Explore brighter future with Huayang.